Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and Free Watch Face Tuesday is back again. You guys are gonna love these watch faces. Now, remember that for a limited time offer, so right after the video, make sure you all download. And a view. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some freebies for you to check out. This is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and we're going to kick off this one with a nice looking analog watch face. This watch face, the name of it is called Analog Crystal with Moon phase. Now, in always on mode, it looks just as nice, but I'm liking this watch face when it's on. You get the date at the top along with the date and month, and you get a little clock right dead center. And it's very legible, so you can tell time without a problem. You come down up under. I'm liking the design of this watch face as well. Kind of like a 2D effect. You get your moon phase over to the left, and also you get your battery percentage, and you get your step status info. And that's it. It's not interactive or anything like that, but it's free, it's different, and it is unique. All right, you all. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let's check out watch face number 2. This one is called Roman watch. Now, I like the watch face. Very unique, very different. Now, in always on mode, I'm liking the look for the Gears 3 more than I do for the Gears 2. But you can still see your time at a glance, which is what's important. Now, when the watch face is on, this watch face is definitely unique. Now, I don't know if I really care what's going on around the bezel of the watch. I thought some of you may like this, but I do like the Roman numerals. I do like the fact that you get the date, and I do like the second hand that's going around down at the bottom. It does give it a nice and unique look, and I like the hands. Kind of stands out, and it is interactive. So if I double tap, you can turn it from a nighttime watch face to a daytime watch face, which isn't bad considering that this watch face is free for a limited time only. So download it right away. Number 3. Now let's talk about what's unique, right? Take a look at this watch face. Now, first off, the name of the watch face is called Room SMB. Now, in the always on mode, I'm liking this look. I'm talking about so far as creativity, so far as uniqueness for an always on display. This one here, definitely nice. Now, when the watch face is on, you get this traditional look of a home with your lamp. You got a clock hanging up on the wall. You got flowers. I mean, this is definitely a very unique look. I would play this just to get some attention, right? What do you guys think? I'm liking it so far as different is concerned. And again, it's free for a limited time offer, so make sure you download this one just for fun. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the Free Watch Face Tuesday, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you tell your friends. Let them know who reviews the best watch faces, I want to say in the world, but we're going to say on YouTube. All right, you all, make sure you hit me down in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.